of the air fryer, the Pampered Chef Deluxe Air Fryer. So this is for a specific person, but I'm going to share this with everybody because it'll make a good, helpful thing for everybody to see. So this is it. This is the Pampered Chef Deluxe Air Fryer. As you can see, it's got a digital display and a nice little turn knob, very easy to use with several different settings. It does have a rotisserie, so you see it's got a little indicator. It has a light, and then you have some custom settings that are preset. Then you can also hit the button and change the temperature for it. Comes with a little cookbook, so you can decide what you like. And then you've got this really nice oven door here. You pop it down. This oven door actually comes off for cleaning. You can't put it in the dishwasher, but it's but you can just, you can clean it. It comes with 2 of these and a drip tray. And now you can see I've been using it. Now this is hand wash only, but it's real easy. It's non-stick, and you've got several different settings where you can put your tray based on, or if you have 2 different items, you can put things in here. It's got a dehydrate setting. It comes with, sorry, I got in the way of the camera. Like I said, it comes with 2 of these. It comes with a rotisserie basket. It does have rotisserie. There's 2 little hooks inside. If KJ, if you want to show that.
The basket is for French fries.
Yeah, you can put French fries in this.
So it rolls them and constantly gets them crispy.
Yeah, or different types of vegetables or things like that as well. So yeah, there's little things in there for the rotisserie. But this is great. It's a little basket. This is dishwasher safe. You put your stuff in there, you close it, and it rotates. You have a little handy dandy grabber. So what you do is you slide it in and just hit the little thing. Now I will tell you that you need to make sure that it's all the way over to one side, to the left, to make sure that it gets in there and starts rotating. But you just look, if it's not rotating, you go and adjust it. It also comes with these rotisserie hooks, so you can do like an actual small chicken or something like that, or a pork roast. Then these are accessories that are extra. I believe they're around $20-something, and right now, at the time of this video, they're out of stock, but there should be back in shortly. There's a skewer set, and these skewers just snap on. They go in here and like this, and then you just put your meat on the skewers before you do it, and load this up. Use your handy dandy thing here, pop it in, and hit the thing. And we've been pleasantly surprised. I did some pork skewers in about 18 minutes. They turned out to be, they were brown, they were juicy, and they were done, and they were delicious. You can also get, when stoneware is back in stock, we're retooling the stoneware line right now, so it should be back anytime. But there's a mini stoneware pan that you can put in here. We love this for reheating pizza or cooking up some nuggets or those kind of things because it does brown. I also really like, what was I going to say? For this accessory kit here, you can get extra skewers, and so you can prepare another set, and just when they come out, it cools really fast because it's just a thinner metal, and you switch them out and put another set in. So you can have like a little party skewers and those kind of things. But I really love it. It's great for reheating. We reheated today for KJ's Pizza, and it browns it. It keeps it nice and fresh and doesn't get soggy. So I really like it, and you can see the size comparison here with everything that's on my counter. So it's really I've been super impressed. I will say some of the smaller ones. And just to wrap up, I will say some of the smaller ones we borrowed of friends when we were thinking about getting these, and it was the old style. And it actually turned us off from getting this. This one is like having a mini oven. Doesn't heat up your kitchen. Doesn't bother doesn't take up too much counter space. Very convenient to use. So, hope that helps.